On our way to Lake District!
Should I put this inside then?
Yeah.
It's gonna move.
Well, it's up to you. You can keep it there. We've just arrived. It smells like gas. It's 4:20. We just arrived. Yalish. Bye-bye. Oh, this looks nice. Look at that. Just gonna check in.
No worries. What's the name of the booking, please?
One that we chose was like here 216, wasn't it? Well, we wanted 216, we didn't choose it.
Yeah, but the place is not so bad. We're in Lake District. Yay. Ooh! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. You didn't see that?
Yeah.
Off to our spot. Which pitch is it? What number?
207.
We are here and we gotta go here.
Want to go all the way around?
Gotta go all the way around. Let's go! We're almost there. Wow, we're here. Just parking up. Our pitch should be very close. Should be somewhere. But we can literally see the lake from here. Wow. I lost my DJI lens and now we have to try and find it. Is it Saturday today?
Friday.
Oh, 9:17. This is our view. Yummy. This has cheese, so be careful. It will explode. Look what we got. Wait, is this like not their property? So we can
Someone
literally
else's.
that they left behind. So we can literally take it home. As if it would fit in your RX-7 though. No.
on too tight.
Well,
You can tell they're city people. It's super tight.
campfire. We should get like marshmallows.
They have marshmallows.
I don't even like marshmallows.
So why'd you buy it then?
Like s'mores. It's just part of the camping experience.
Comment down below, guys. Pat wants to drive to get oil when there's already olive oil over here.
Yeah, but we need a lot of oil. We need a lot of oil.
To drive in.
Good morning, world. It's Saturday and it's 8:19. This is our last full proper day, and we're just about to make breakfast on the campfire using the barbecue.
She took 2 hours to get ready.
Wait, I need to get. Why is this so awkward? No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Such a lie. Why are you lying to my followers? That's so cringy.
Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Wow, this is such a nice shot.
They'll be off to the market soon.
No,
Yeah?
don't say that.
It's a nice T-bone. Sherlock.
Hey,
Tomahawk.
yeah, that's all he's saying. Hi guys, follow me. There are some cranberries, very edible. You can eat them straight away.
It's not cranberries, they're hawthorns.
The leaves, you can eat these also straight away.